Okay, this is a video for 8.3, Analyzing Geometric Sequences in Series. So this will be our first video, and how can you find the sum of a finite geometric series? So we first need to start off by identifying geometric sequences. Alright, so let's talk about what that means. A geometric sequence is the ratio of any term to the previous term is constant. So that you're multiplying each term times the same term. And we call that ratio the common ratio. It is the constant ratio of any term to the previous term in a geometric sequence. Okay, it's that number that you're multiplying by each time. So in these series, or sequences, we're going to tell whether it is geometric. If it is, we want to find that ratio, that common ratio. Okay, so to determine if it's geometric, we have to determine what we're multiplying by to get to the next term. So you can do this by, okay, 6 times what equals 12, or you can take the second term, divide it by the first term, and that gives you what you're multiplying by. But I know 6 times 2 is 12. Okay? Well, and then 12 times what is 20, or you can take 20 divided by 12, and we get what? Let's see, that'd be times 10 over 4, I'm sorry, 5/4. 5/3, sorry, 5/3. Okay, not the same thing. That's the big key there. I multiply by 2, then I multiply by 5/3, and then I'm going to multiply by 2/3, and then it keeps going. It is not the same. So I know this is not geometric. I need to be multiplying by the same number each time. So let's give it a try on number 2. Okay. 56 times something can give me 64, or you can take the second term, divide it by the first term, and I get that I'm going to multiply by 1/4. Okay? Or the same thing, or you could say it as you're dividing by 4. As long as you divide by 4 each time, that's the same thing as multiplying by 1/4. Okay? And then 64 times what gives me 16. If you have trouble seeing that, just take the 16, divide by 64, and you get 1/4. So I multiply by 1/4. And it keeps going. Multiply by 1/4. Multiply by 1/4. Or you could say I divide each number by 4 each time. Multiplying and dividing, as long as this is the same all the way across, is geometric. Okay? And it says if it's geometric, find the common ratio. So our common ratio is what we're multiplying by. So in this case, it is 1/4. All right. So now go to your practice and do problems numbers 1, 6, 7, 9, 12, and move on to the next video.